Hello everyone, so today now let's look at question 30. So question 30 is also about solid geometry, and we need to know one thing. After rotate, it's a kind of cone, so we need to know the volume of cone. So let's have a review. So the volume of cone is just 1/3 pi r squared and times h. H is the height. So after rotate, we see this one was the radius. This radius is just AD equals to 6. And what's this smaller white cone? Yeah, the radius is just 6 over 2 equals to 3. Actually, this shaded part is just this two big cone and minus 1, 2, only 2 small cone. No, actually we need to minus 4 small cone. This one, small cone, we need to minus 4 part. So actually you can use the bigger one, the radius is 6 and the height is 10. And the smaller one, the radius is 3 and the height is 5. To minus them, you can find out the shaded part. So 2 times 1/3 times pi times 6 squared times 10. And minus 4 times the smaller cone, you can find out the answer. So this question is very easy. You can just imagine how this shape will rotate. So actually in the real test, sometimes this picture will not give you. You need to think, after rotate, what's this kind of solid?